7 ways to prevent lower back pain. Exercise at least twice each week. You'll strengthen the muscles in the spine as you improve flexibility and balance. Unsure where to start? Try some gentle yoga to begin. Drink water. Half your body weight in ounces is a great guideline. When you're sitting down for long periods, incorporate breaks. Be sure to stand up periodically and spread your weight evenly on both legs. Consider supplementing with vitamins D and K2. Be sure to ask your doctor before starting any new regimen. Stretch before bed. If possible, sleep on your side. Stop smoking. We're all aware of the cardiovascular health risks, but did you know smoking also lowers the blood flow to the lower spine and promotes degeneration of the spinal discs, too? More great reasons to give up the habit. Tennis ball therapy, how it works. How does a common tennis ball relieve your sciatic pain? It presses and treats the trigger points in the piriformis muscle, located beside your sciatic nerve. As your body weight presses into the part of your back that's causing pain, muscles will relax and release. You'll also improve your mobility and increase circulation. It's empowering to take charge of your own healing journey as you combine the benefits of massage, acupressure, and reflexology. You're relieving muscle tension and soothing your sore muscles, all with a tennis ball. Tennis ball therapy. Lie down on the tennis ball. Adjust the tennis ball so it's right at the painful spot on your lower back or glutes. Relax and roll up and down on the ball, holding the ball on the most painful spot for 30 to 60 seconds. Move the tennis ball on to the next painful spot, and repeat. Total time spent, 5 to 10 minutes. Similar to when you get a deep tissue massage, you might experience pain initially, but don't worry, you'll soon feel relief. How to administer tennis ball therapy. Massaging your body with a tennis ball is what's called self-trigger point therapy, because you can administer treatment yourself, and it can be done in the comfort of your own home. As this treatment method grows in popularity and information continues to